Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick, no fluff rundown of the Windows shortcuts that'll save you like 10 seconds every time. And trust me, 10 seconds adds up when you're in a rush. First up, Alt plus F4. Boom. Closes whatever window you're in. No mouse, no clicking. Just done. Windows plus D, instant desktop. Perfect when your boss walks by and you need to look busy. Windows plus E, File Explorer pops open. Folders, files, your life in one click. Windows plus L locks the screen faster than you can say, don't touch my stuff. Windows plus I, settings menu. Boom. Tweak brightness, Wi-Fi, whatever. Windows plus R, run dialog. Type CMD for command prompt. Notepad for, well, notepad. Old school power move. Windows plus tab, task view. See every open window, swipe between them like you're on a tablet. And the big ones, Windows plus up arrow maximizes, down arrow minimizes. No dragging, no drama. Bonus, try Windows plus Shift plus S, snip anything on screen. Or Windows plus dot for emojis, because sometimes LOL just isn't enough. That's it. 9 shortcuts, 0 fluff. Drop a like if you're going to use one today. And hey, which one's your go-to? Comment below. See you next time. Stay productive.